Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to combine clips into one compound clip in Davinci Resolve. So it's very simple, just drag your clips on your timeline. So this is my first clip and this is my second clip, and I want to combine them. I can do that by selecting both of them, right clicking and linking clips. As you can see there, they are linked right now. But what if I want to make only one clip from these both clips? I will unlink them and now select them both, right click, and go all the way up here to new compound clip. Here I can name my clips, so I will say 2 videos and then click on create. And as you can see, now it is only one clip, but there are 2 clips in this one. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I guess I will see you in the next tutorial. So looking forward to see you there, guys. Bye bye.